and Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Dan, it's been a tough year. I mentioned in the first part of the show, but it's been a tough year for folks, of course, in that part of the U.S. and also here with all the flooding that happened here too.
You know, we've been asking for the rain for years, sitting in the drought, and it all came at once, unfortunately. And well, maybe not so much at once, just all winter long, and it was too much for us to take, obviously. With that, though, came an enormous snowpack. Take a look at these numbers. Now, today is April 1st, and we use April 1st as our benchmark date. It is the date in the year, on average, where the snow melt begins to outpace any further snowfall accumulation in the Sierra Nevada. It's not always the case, but it's a good benchmark date. So it's kind of the day we use to compare year to year to talk about how much snow really fell and what our snowpack looks like. Now, I thought for sure I'd roll in today and they'd have the April 1st numbers ready to go, but we're like 2 days behind. So this is the data. I'll show you tomorrow night. I'm sure they'll have the April 1st numbers up. I'm actually not sure of that, but we're getting pretty close to it either way, just to show you where we are. And for the state, 235% of normal. That means over twice the normal snow depth across the Sierra Nevada. And in fact, in the southern Sierra Nevada, we're talking about 3 times the normal snowpack. And that all seems great. And sure, it is going to be great for a lot of folks. We're talking about full reservoirs this year. They're not full yet, but I feel like by the time everything starts melting, they're going to fill up pretty quickly. We're talking plenty of water to go around this year across the state. Now, the Colorado River Basin is a little bit different, so Southern California might be a different story, but at least for the Central Valley and here toward the coast, places that actually get water from the Sierra, well, looking pretty good. Unfortunately, if it melts too quickly, and there's a good chance that that may happen, we are going to be covering floods. Not locally, but in the San Joaquin Valley specifically. We've been seeing floods already in portions of Fresno County, Tulare County, Kings County, areas like that. There used to be a giant freshwater lake there. This was 100, 200 years ago, called Lake Tulare. There were a couple more south of Bakersfield as well, but this lake would often fill up during wet winters because of all the snow melt. Well, you know, agriculture has happened, and now there are levees and berms and things like that that prevent the water from getting there, and suddenly we're flooding towns like the town of Corcoran in the San Joaquin Valley. Already been dealing with a lot of water. Alpa, I believe, is another one. So areas like that are already dealing with flooding, and we're going to send a lot of meltwater down those rivers this spring. So unfortunately, that may be a rough scenario to see unfold. We're hoping things go well, but it's one thing to be prepared of. If you've got some family out there, you know, make sure they're paying attention to what's going on. Have them come on over to the coast. Come out to the coast. Have a few laughs. It'll be pretty nice. Either way, we're going to watch out the snowpack, and looking good. Just obviously the melting could cause some flooding. In the meantime, let's talk about what's going on out there tonight. Domenico's on the wharf showing pretty calm conditions. Tonight, we have some low clouds rolling in. There is a weak cold front. See the leading edge of these clouds here just kind of getting close to us? That is a weak cold front. It doesn't really have any rain associated with it, but it might have a little drizzle. The low clouds may have a little drizzle. Behind that, we can see these speckled clouds here. There is northwest flow. There's another weak disturbance that's going to come through late tomorrow night into Tuesday. Yeah, we'll continue to bring cooler air. So the next couple of days, we will be cooler and we will be windier. In fact, that wind could get quite strong overnight tomorrow into Tuesday. In the meantime, again, low clouds on the increase tonight. Starting to see a few patches develop with a little bit of drizzle possible. If you're heading out tomorrow morning for your Sunday service, you might see a couple of sprinkles out there, but it shouldn't be a big problem, and I don't expect it to be a widespread issue tomorrow morning. I'm not seeing a super wet environment where we have widespread drizzle. You just might see a little driblets on your windshield. The rest of the day tomorrow, cooler. Partly cloudy, a little bit on the gusty side in the afternoon. Winds will pick up throughout the day, and they'll get even stronger tomorrow night into Monday morning. In fact, as that happens, we might see a couple other showers develop late tomorrow night into Monday morning. We'll see some green blips show up here eventually. There you go, a couple of them rolling through late tomorrow night into Monday morning. And then Monday afternoon, we may see a few showers pop up over the hills. But that's it with that system. In fact, that's the only rain I have in the forecast. We'll remember this system more for the wind, if we do at all. There's a gale warning already in effect tomorrow night at 9 p.m. and lasts until 3 a.m. on Monday. Gusty winds up to 35 knots on the near coastal waters. Wouldn't be surprised to see those amounts upped a little bit. I do think it'll get quite gusty early Tuesday morning. And that includes our coastal cities as well. Quick look at your temperature forecast tomorrow. 61 at Santa Cruz. We should be around 68 this time of year, so that's a little cool. 60 in Capitola, highs in the 50s in the mountains tomorrow, so getting cooler. We did find some 60s there today. Watsonville, low 60s. Salinas, Hollister, Gilroy, low 60s. 50s in Castroville, artichoke center of the entire universe. Over to the Monterey Peninsula, seeing highs in the mid to upper 50s. Another cool day. We should be around 63 this time of year in Monterey, in early April anyway. 64 over the month as it is. Down south, King City should be in the 70s this time of year, 63. So as you can see, we're below normal. Those northwest winds will have a bite to them. But looky here at the 7-day forecast. Yes, it's going to be cool. Yes, it's going to be windy for the next couple of days. And yes, the mornings are going to be cold, especially on Tuesday. But a slow improvement in those temperatures. By Friday, temperatures will be back to normal. And by Saturday, that's next weekend, temperatures will be above normal. By the way, everything is green around here. Saturday, take a drive. Go look at some wildflowers. There's going to be some, once that sun comes out this week for a while, everything's going to be blooming, okay? Head out and see those wildflowers. Highway 25, San Benito County, get that camera ready. You're going to need it. Here's that 7-day forecast. Inland, high of 52 on Monday, low of 33 on Tuesday, patchy frost. Things get better. Wait, what? 70 on Friday? Am I serious, Victor? 75 on Saturday? Break out the flip-flops, the party hats, you know, all those happy things with warmer weather. The sunshine, the puppy dog, the ice cream cones.
Yeah.
You've got all those.
I know.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wear shorts in 40-degree weather.
You
so,
do. You're
yeah.
a shorts guy.
Thanks so much, Dan.